the latest news, rumors, and sleaze in Hollywood.
It's the Jump Sleaze on Jump 106.9.
Well, a former bodyguard for Elton John is suing him for sexual harassment and battery. He says Elton forced himself on him several times in 2014.
You gotta help me out. Listen, I need your help. Please.
Yeah, sounds like it. The guy's name is Jeffrey Weninger, and he says one time when they were in the car together, Elton put his hands in his pants and tried to grab his junk. Then he supposedly put his fingers between this guy's butt cheeks and said, quote, "Get your todger out. Say hello to Uncle John."
Oh, my.
Another time, allegedly, Elton twisted his nipples and said, quote, "You gorgeous thing, you." Now, this guy quit working for Elton in 2014, and Elton's people say this is... I'm sorry, I can't.
It's not funny.
No,
it really isn't funny.
Like, good morning, Tokyo nipple twister. Hello. Anyways, so they have all the facts. Elton's people say that they plan on fighting this guy because he's ridiculous.
It's not very often I'm left speechless, but I think this might be one of those circumstances. I guess we'll see as the evidence comes out and whatnot.
People do this to celebrities all the time. Try and money grab like this. Anyway, let's move on.